connecting our roots, sharing our world. This reminds us of the vital role that heritage plays in shaping our identity and the importance of sharing it with the world. As we celebrate Tourism Month, let us continue to connect and embrace with our roots while opening our arms to the beauty, the splendor, the rituals, the traditions, and to the practices of our unique island.
It is a sustenance that actually runs through these roots that connect Tobago to the world. I like to call the arts and culture the unique selling point of Tobago's tourism product. So the sun, the sea and the sand bring them here, and the art and the culture make them stay.
This unique blend of natural beauty and Toton culture is what will carry us forward in becoming the greatest little island on the planet.
Our legacy can continue to inspire and bring people together from across the world.
Let's unite for a brighter future for all.